I expose GH. Expose GH. I bet you the name say news and Yamabeka. NDC. Jimmy ne ya dosu. Yera jo mama or ye bi pa. Ene man kan na meboa. Wa ye bi a transform economy a. Se sabe economy no aye kama. Abrofo nyina eba. Now so followers ni Jimmy. Jimmy no yentimi kan jom say Jimmy na mu Jimmy mu nyai. Sa Jimmy we yeto ababia na bae a me feel sa die down. Sa na Jimmy na we podie papa kakra kabia wodi anim Jimmy ni papa. Wo kasa nyina ho metwetu say pressure diabetes ebibia wo no so wo kasa e wo Tema. Omo koto NHIS we no matum kwasiasam kwaye
Statement of the NHIS Metro Director for Tema Metro has been done without recourse to Constituency Executive. And we think that it is becoming too many. One too many, if I should say. So this morning, we decided to lock the place up. Until the proper thing is done, then work can continue. If not, aluta continue. If you talk about things, and they tell you it will be done, it will be done. But they still continue in the same fashion, from a particular direction, and it means it's not the best for us as a party and as leadership in the constituency. There should be proper consultation. As constituency, my chairman is here. Can find out from him. The organizer is here. Other members of the constituency, executive members are here. There have not been a single meeting that we've been involved in the appointment of anybody to the assembly or any position within the metroship. Okay. We have equally qualified people within this constituency, or the metroship as a whole. So we are a twin constituency of Tema Central and Tema East. None of the constituency consulted with this appointment. We have equally qualified people.
It is becoming and not becoming. This is not the first time. Nothing. We will not be consulted about anything that appointment has been done to the metro. We have our executive who have the qualification to be there, but always be not ignored and only gather people around herself that he give the appointment to without our knowledge. That is not proper. We will not continue to tolerate that. That's my view of this.
We will not work for somebody to come and take over. We are not, all of us, we are NDC people. But we have NDC more than NDC, I'll tell you. When you think, come and be executive, and you see how you will be having sleepless nights, we, the executive, will be left alone, and they will tell us that everybody has work. So now, everybody should become executive, or all of us will be outside, then the party will run. We are not asking for too much. Anything that you do, please consult the constituency executive. The branch executive at our neck, they've left the party executive from national to region to constituency. Nothing is working. They've left us just like that. We don't know who did the appointment. And we said we want to sit on the round table to solve issues.
So, make an well, Papa was papa, we were timid by 4 or 5. One bedroom, and quasiasem, and quasiasem normal ya. What omakoto for national health insurance where what your friend said Tema national and yet NDC for there. Nietia omo your appointment do man catch am. Now who so ya who can say now who met twe who pressure drone in answer diabetes eyes oko pebi. Now when you know be say e ban the same. A politician no mama kwa for yan kwasiasem say ya yentimi so ano. Because so me na say ya ye ni ti am dwaba o mian mama nka chewane promises about me nyina is to the MPP people and I'm say now are you coming to rule MPP or you are coming to rule Ghana? Massa, make the country a better place so you competitive world. It means that obi asem de obeki kan ho no obetimi nya national cake ni biedi. Both NDC and MPP, and they be almost foot soldiers. Who are the foot soldiers? Are they more Ghanaian than me, the ordinary people who are not party whatever foot soldiers? We are being stupid as a nation. Excuse my language. Because Sebe, yeah, party. It is and when I come, I'll make sure, say my appointment, I take it up. So what do you mean? That's not the kind of people that we need. It means that you're about me also here because because the relationship with Kenoforiata, anything that Ghana is where it is now. na the same thing so na Gerard Joma me say wo ya ade but ade ba ko say otimi ye ne say sa papa kakraka wo je say otimi chelo na de ni koto sawam because Jimmy ne doso eye de na place a national asset because of party affiliations, you know, what you call too near beside the reason why I say some appointments were being made without consultation. Who are you? Stupid man like that, who are you? Obi sorry, I say ya Brahma party. One I say Brahma party. One I say Brahma party. And one is like voting, then one sorry, the other person will talk about based on the things that what catch and what you think you can work with. But Jimmy will be where NDC near say NDC Jimmy Crow say NDC yard. Sounds will be MPP Jimmy Crow say that stupidity has to stop. First and foremost, if you are a Ghanaian, you make sure say BBL Bayan is in the interest of what Ghana. Sir, office where we got 2 million, Sabi Obi Babe G-card, no course to our own team Beji because of your stupidity, no, doesn't make you more Ghanaian. I don't want to say MPP bar, so better MPP for NDC Bobby. What is wrong with us? We are all Ghanaians. Enti uko to abana yera do mama, there are things that you are doing that I like. But unko for Jimmy way ultimate can want say me there me ya papa. God Jimmy ne yako to the extent say Jimmy no obia sorry no e kwase asem toilet o makofa we no makofa. We are stupid fools. We don't have sense. Because you nyansa you be say sat atete kwasem we in 19th century enye na sabe ni pe kwa animu na obeka umpe adwuma kwase a umpe adwuma nti oba toilet ho na sa wo pre o ko school papa na wo ye adwuma na wo ye adwuma papa bia ka ko pre toilet ho say toilet abanti ma make toilet ho. We are mad people and we need to assess the mind. Because Nema ye no, I say Jimmy Pro Max. Yeah, Pro Max. The leadership of NDC should crack the whip. Some same way, it makes your party unpopular. And until some of us, you know, we voted against NDC some time ago. Because anytime NDC Ebano said to trust them with a back and people are okay with me, I'm not okay with it. Jimmy say you're fine to chill on mine. We need to stop it. Sana about me so bad. One also Jimmy we are not there, but because we started when I come, MPP, we don't need that. We need you to be Ghanaian. Your castle we Ghana and you could I'm a Ghanaian, Kwekusi say. Now we are over we are MPP. Masa, Jimmy sa it had to stop. Papa kakra kasa ujina wa o pressure o kasa na o home twa. Eso compare drobi na wo ye no we di nkofo papa penu we Jimmy say we di nkofo anim akoto store mu akoto office mu in the name of what? Party politics. We are fool. You are not a Ghanaian. Ye ka me de meka. I Xposed JFM Bembro so share. Me 2 man answer ka be manuals.